Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn about sentence because we have learned about phrases, we have learned about clauses, so it's the right time to learn about sentences. So before that, what is a sentence? A sentence is a complete set of words that conveys meaning. A sentence can communicate four topics: a statement, a command, an exclamation, and also a question. So sentences are divided into four categories. There are simple sentences, sentences are divided into four categories. There are simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, and compound complex sentences. Jadi ada 4 pembagian jenis-jenis dari sentences atau kalimat ini. Yang pertama ada simple sentence, yang kedua ada compound sentence, yang ketiga ada complex sentence, dan yang keempat ada compound complex sentence. Ini gabungan antara compound dan complex sentence. Yang pertama ada simple sentence. Definisi: a simple sentence contain one independent clause. Jadi simple sentence ini berisi sebuah independent clause yang udah kita belajarin kemarin. Contohnya, the examples: Johnny rode his bike to school. Yang kedua ada who is your best friend. Yang ketiga ada she ate her lunch, took a walk, and went back to work. Dan jenis yang kedua ada compound sentence. Definisinya apa? Compound sentence: a compound sentence contains two independent clauses, a coordinating conjunction, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so often links the two independent clauses and is preceded by comma. Jadi compound sentence ini ada dua buah independent clauses di dalam compound sentence. Dan biasanya itu dihubungkan dengan konjungsi kayak for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, dan dihubungkan pakai koma. Contohnya, the examples: she want to go on vacation, so she save up her money. Yang kedua ada I like apples, but my sister love bananas. Yang ketiga ada Tim love to read, and he also love to hike. Jadi di sini ada compound sentence, itu ada dua buah independent clause yang disambungkan dengan konjungsi dan koma. Kayak yang contoh pertama, she want to go on vacation. So ini adalah konjungsi. So she save up her money. Dan yang ketiga ada complex sentences. Definisi: a complex sentence contains one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. A complex sentence will include at least one subordinating conjunction. Jadi pakai subordinating conjunction. Complex sentence mengandung sebuah independent clause atau lebih A complex sentence mengandung satu independent clause dan satu atau lebih dependent clause, dan complex sentence ini berisi setidaknya satu subordinating conjunction. Okay, for the examples are she went to class even though she was sick. As John was arriving to work, he realized he forgot his lunch. while I enjoy classical music, I prefer rock and roll because I play the drums. Oke, yang terakhir ada compound complex sentences. Jadi ini gabungan antara compound sentences dan complex sentences. Itu definisinya. Definisinya di sini ada a compound complex sentence combines complex sentence and compound sentence form. A compound complex sentence contains one or more independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. For the examples are, although she felt guilty for missing her friend's birthday, she took her out to dinner the next day and they had a great time. I tried to eat healthy food, but because fast food is so convenient, I cannot maintain a healthy diet. If he got a job, he would have to commute 50 miles to work. So he decided the job was not worth it. Jadi compound complex sentence ini gabungan dari compound sentence dan complex sentence. Mengandung satu atau lebih independent clause atau satu atau lebih dependent clause. Baik, materi selanjutnya, what are the functional purposes of each type of sentence? Because each type of sentence can serve various functions, the writer should use the type of sentence that best communicate the purpose of his or her idea. Jadi karena sentence ini jenisnya ada banyak, kita harus memilih menggunakan sentence ini di tempat yang tepat gitu loh. Kayak to combine similar ideas kita pakai compound, kita pakai complex, kita pakai compound complex, dan to compare or contrast ideas kita pakai compound, pakai complex, pakai compound complex, and to convey cause and effect or chain of event kita pakai compound. Kalau pakai sehari-hari aja yang simple-simple kita bisa pakai simple. Oke, saya kira materinya sudah selesai. Terima kasih telah mendengarkan dan jangan lupa untuk dipelajari kembali materinya. Terima kasih.